Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Chaitya, your maths teacher. Children, now we started our fifth lesson, shapes, symmetry and pattern. And the shapes, symmetry we covered in our last class. Today, let us learn about patterns. Children, do you know what is meant by pattern? Have you seen these patterns? See, the patterns are repeating shapes. Okay, the repeating shapes make a pattern. Okay, the patterns looks beautiful, isn't it? See, you can see this pattern in your bed sheet. Okay, on your floor. Okay, then the way of petals arranged in flowers. These are different types of patterns. Now let us learn more about patterns. Okay, how to make these patterns and what are different ways to make a pattern. Clear? See, the first one is by using different shapes. Okay, patterns are making by using different shapes. See how to make a pattern by using different shapes. See, here I am giving some example. Here I am drawing one triangle. Okay, after that I am drawing a circle. Then again draw a triangle. Then I draw a circle. Then can you see which one will come next? Yes, next one will be a triangle. Then what is next? Circle. So this one is called pattern. Okay, repeating shapes. Okay, using different shapes. So in this pattern, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Okay, so this is one type of pattern. Or you can make another type of pattern. See, here I am using one triangle. Then one square, again one triangle, then one square, then what will come next? Yes, triangle. So this is another type of pattern. Okay, so first one is using different shapes. Pattern made by using different shapes. The second one, by using different sizes. How to make a pattern? By using different sizes. See here, I am using one small triangle, then bigger than this one, then bigger than this one. Okay, again I use one small. Then what will come next? Yes. Then what will come next? Yes. So this is another way to create a pattern. One small, then bigger than this one, then bigger than this one. Okay, so here, which one? This one is bigger and which one? Bigger, biggest. You can say like that. Or small, smaller, smallest. Okay, so this is very small. Then this one is bigger than this one is bigger than this one. By using this, you can create your own pattern by using different shapes and different sizes. Clear? Next one, by increasing the number of objects. Okay? See here one example. Here I am using drawing one square. Okay? Then this square. Now I increase this square as 2. Okay, then what will comes next? What is next? 3 squares. Okay, then what is next? Yes, 4 squares. So next 1, 2, 3, then 4 squares. Clear? First, then 2, 3, 4. Like that, by increasing the number of objects, you can create a pattern. Okay. The next one is by using. Next one is by using different colors. By using different colors, you can apply colors. Okay. For example, here I am choosing one red color. Okay. Here I am using one blue color. Here I am choosing one red color. Then what will come next? Yes, blue color will come next. by using different shades, different colors, and increase the number of objects or the combination of colors and objects. Okay, or you can, which one you can turn the position also to make a pattern. How to turn the position? Yes, I will show you how to turn the position to create a pattern or to make a pattern. See here, I have one triangle. Okay, let us start with the right triangle. See, now I am drawing one triangle. Okay, now I turn to right, then this will come here. Again I turn to right, then it will like this. Again I turn to right, then it will like this. Again I turn to right, then it will like this. So this is a pattern. Here we are turning the position. Okay, we are turning the objects. Okay, so now I believe you all understood how to create pattern. So children, please look your surroundings and find out what are different patterns in our surroundings. Okay. Next one is number pattern. Okay, by using numbers, you can create a pattern. See one example. Here, 1, 2, 3. Then what is next? Yes, 4. What is next? 5. That is, we are adding 1 to get next number. So this one is a number pattern. Clear? Then one more example. 2, 4, 6. Then what is next number? 8. Then 10. Okay. So this is another example for a number pattern. Here we are adding 2 to each number. Clear? Then one more example. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Can you say which one is next number? What will come next? Here 1, 2, 4. What is next number? Yes, next number is 8. How we get this 8? Do you know how we get 4 plus 4? 8. Now what is next? 8 plus 8. That is 16. So this is another example for a number pattern. Okay, like this you can create your own patterns. Okay, see here 10, 20. What is next? Yes, 30. Then next 40, 50, 60. So this one is another example for a number pattern. Clear? So try to create your own pattern. See, by using the multiplication tables you can create a pattern. Okay, you all know what is table 3. Okay, you all studied table 3. Okay, by using this you can create your pattern. 3, 6, 9. Okay, 12, 15. Okay, 3 into 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Like that you can create your own pattern. Clear? So children, don't forget to create your own patterns. Okay? So now I believe you all understood the patterns that I explained today. So please try to make your own patterns. Okay, see you again with tiling pattern and the textbook exercise. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.